This is the Chevy Cruze, the first generation, and a lot of people are asking about the dipstick in the transmission. These cars use 6-speed automatic transmissions, and they actually require control of fluids, but they have no dipsticks. So the problem is that you will have the cap to add some fluid. Here is the cap. You use it when you change the fluid, and you also use it to add some fluid when the level is low. But there is no dipstick, there is just the bolt. You can't see it from here. You need to take out the wheel. Of course, I will not do this. I will show you the pictures of this bolt. So you unscrew that bolt, and if on hot transmission, after you've been driving for about 10 minutes, the transmission is hot, you unscrew that bolt, and some little part of fluid comes out, it means okay. It means the level is okay. If there is no fluid, you need to add. You need to use this cap, unscrew it. It's a plastic cap that's easily unscrewed, and add some fluid until you see it coming out from that bolt. But if you see a black fluid coming out of that bolt, it's very important to change fluid, because these transmissions are afraid of contaminated fluid, burnt fluid. They will fail much earlier than 200,000 miles, which you expect probably to go in this car. So this is important to know. There is no dipstick, but there is still a way to check it. And of course, it's much more convenient to do on a car lift, but actually it's doable on your own. So it's a DIY task, but with some complications.